Delaney, grab one of those fishies.
I don't need to hold it. Grab it, Delaney. Hold it up.
Get it.
Why does you kill the bite?
If they're dead, Delaney, just grab one.
Grab one, Sissy.
Grab one of those fishes.
Let me fish it.
Just grab
What's
it.
wrong? Get one of those fishies.
Grab it. It's okay.
Pick it up. Pick one up, Sissy. Get that fish.
Pick it up, Delaney.
Get it.
Grab it. Grab it. Grab it by its tail. Grab it.
Pick it up.
Well,
Hold on.
yeah. Sure. Like an egg? Don't kiss in it.
Kiss it.
Don't kiss in it. Don't kiss it. Don't kiss me. Mama, don't wear a kiss in the blood. Don't kiss it. Don't get her kiss in the blood, no.
I won't let her kiss it in the blood.
That's not funny, Mom. God.
Oh man, you've held that one a lot, haven't you? Did you catch that fishy, Davy?
Yep.
You did?
I got it. Oh no, I got a fish. Hi, Kamari. Oh my God, why is that? Can we eat this for
Grab
dinner,
one.
Mom? Fish.
Sissy, grab it.
You get one.
Huh? Mom, can we eat this for dinner, Mom?
I hope so. Are you going to cut it up?
Grab it.
No.
Davy, let her do it.
I can't do it.
Grab it. Grab that one right there. Grab that one. Tight. You gotta grab it tight so it doesn't slip. Grab it tight so it doesn't slip.
I'm gonna catch him, Mom. Look at
Delaney, grab it like this. Grab it like this. You grab it like that.
That's cute. That's nice now, see? Watch me. I should have good.
Grab it by the mouth right there. Grab it by the mouth.
Just grab it by its little mouth.
Grab it by the mouth. Grab it.
Good.
Grab it.
Mom, I touched him. Like, my what? It can move, Mom. Like, Mom, why is it dead, Mom?
Well, because it's been in the bucket.